Now this question is taken from IBPS Bank PO 2013. In this question, the symbols percentage, hash, at the rate of and dollar are used with the following meaning as illustrated. So they have given percentage, hash, at the rate of, ampersand and dollar, and then they are asking us to find out which of the conclusion follows. Now to solve this problem, let us incorporate these codes into the magic box. So first is percentage. Percentage means P is not greater than. Percentage means not greater than, means less than or equal to. Where is less than or equal to? This is percentage. P hash Q means P is neither greater than nor equal to. That means P is hash is less than. P at the rate of Q means P is neither greater than nor smaller than. That means P is equal to Q. So is equal to means at the rate of. P ampersand Q means P is neither smaller than nor equal to. That means P is greater than Q. So ampersand means greater than. P dollar Q means P is not smaller than. That means P is greater than or equal to Q. So dollar means greater than or equal to. So what we have done is we have incorporated the codes by the side of the appropriate symbols. Now let us try to solve the problems under this question. In question number 16, what we are given is, we are given a statement where the relationship between the elements are given as codes, and we have to verify 4 conclusions, and out of these 4 conclusions, which is true, we have to find out and give it as the answer. Normally they will give you one symbol, one code and one symbol. Under that 2 or 3 questions will be asked. Normally 4 questions will be asked. Here we are going to see the next 3 questions also in the same where the same codes represent the same symbols. Now let us see how to work out question number 16. What I have done is, I have written the given statements. There are about 4 statements are given. I have written the given statements here, and the conclusions that have to be proved, that I have written all the 4 conclusions, and the magic box in which we have already incorporated the codes against equivalent symbol, it is already, we have done that. Now we have to now find out whether these conclusions are true or false. Now look at the statement. The statement is A ampersand N and N S dollar N, and then we have to now convert it into N S, and then if S comes here, then next is S, then next is W. We can combine it into a single statement. So here S dollar N, what is the opposite for dollar? It is, look here in the magic box, opposite is percentage. So N percentage S. If you convert it, then we can combine this into a single statement. The single statement is A ampersand N percentage S. Now this is what we are converting here. Percentage S, S ampersand W, W percentage R. This is the statement. I have combined these 4 statements and made it into a single statement. Now from these statements we will verify whether these conclusions are true or not. Let us take the first conclusion, R and A. Where is R? R is here, A is here. The conclusion is not in sync with the statement. Therefore, we have to convert the conclusion to be in sync with the statement. So we have to write A right here, R right here. Where is dollar in? Dollar is here, opposite is percentage. Now we have to verify whether A percentage R is true or not. Now between A and R, what are all the symbols? Ampersand, tick ampersand. Next is percentage, tick percentage. Now we need not go further. Why? Now we have crossed from left hand side to right hand side. Therefore no conclusion is possible because opposing symbols. We need not do further verification at all. So conclusion 1 is not true. Let us verify now conclusion 2. I will remove these markings so that it will be available for the next. So what are the elements between S and R? Yes. Where is S? S is here, R is here. And fortunately the conclusion is in sync with the statement. Therefore there is no need to rewrite the conclusion. What are the symbols between S and R? We will mark ampersand and then percentage. Again we are crossing from left hand side to right hand side. That means opposing symbols, no conclusion. We need not verify further. So conclusion 2 is false. Let us go to conclusion 3. Before that we will remove the old markings. S and A. Where are the elements S and A? Where are they? S is here, A is here. Now it is not in sync. So this has to be rewritten as A, S. Ampersand is here. Opposite of ampersand is hash. Therefore we have to verify whether A hash S is true in the magic box. Between A and S, what are the symbols? Ampersand and percentage. Again we have crossed the opposite side. No conclusion. Therefore conclusion 3 does not follow. Very simple. Now in the same manner you please try to solve whether conclusion 4th conclusion is true or false. Once we draw the magic box, then it is very simple for us to draw the conclusions. Conclusions you can draw within seconds. There is no need for converting codes into symbols and symbols back into codes. All that unnecessary complications are not there. I hope you must have solved this, whether the conclusion W percentage A is true or not. Anyhow, let us see whether this conclusion, 4th conclusion, is true or not. Before that, we shall eliminate the marks we have already made. Now, W percentage A. Where is W? W is here, A is here. The conclusion is not in sync with the statement. Therefore, we have to see A, W, which is percentage. Opposite to percentage is dollar. Now, we have to verify whether A dollar W is true. Now, let us see in the magic box. Which are all the symbols? Ampersand, percentage. We need not verify further. Why? We have crossed from left hand side to right hand side, and therefore no conclusion is possible. Therefore all the 4 conclusions are wrong. Since all the 4 conclusions are wrong, we may have to check for complementary pair, which we have seen in the concept of syllogism itself. There is no complementary pair because no 2 conclusions have the same elements. The elements in the conclusions are varying, they are differing, and therefore they cannot be complementary pair, and therefore the answer for this question is all the 4 conclusions are false. Let us check the answer slide. Now for question number 16, the correct answer is none of the conclusions is true, option C. Now let us go to the next question.